Welcome to the DJI FPV tutorial, unboxing and activating. Open the DJI FPV combo and take out the products and accessories. Download the DJI Fly app by scanning the QR code on the DJI Fly download page of the official DJI website. You can also download DJI Fly on your mobile device's app store. Before using the battery for the first time, connect it to the charger for at least 1 minute to complete activation. Connect the goggles to the goggles battery. Remove the gimbal cover as well as the protective film on the gimbal camera. Press the aircraft power button twice. Then press and hold for 2 seconds to power on the aircraft. Power on the goggles and remote controller the same way. Connect the OTG cable via the USB-C port on the goggles and connect to your mobile device using a charging cable. After successfully linking the aircraft, goggles, and remote controller, open the DJI Fly app and follow instructions to complete activation. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchase and binding within 48 hours of activating DJI FPV. After activation, make sure you charge the Intelligent Flight battery, the remote controller, and the goggles battery. Be sure to read the user manual carefully in order to be fully prepared for your first flight.